technical documents known as standards include characteristics, specifications, requirements, guidance that materials, products, services and processes should comply with to ensure they are fit for purpose. In an interconnected world and in continuous change as the one we are living in, the standards provide safety and security, compatibility and rationality to the value chain. Without the standards, the society as we know it would not be possible, and professionals are well aware of it. Standards are documents publicly available and of voluntary application. Everyone can use them and consult them. They are published by a network of standardization bodies at international, European and national level that work in a coordinated manner and cooperate to avoid duplication of efforts. The Spanish Association for Standardization, also known as UNE, is part of that network. UNE is the Spanish body recognized at national level by the competent public authority for the development and publication of UNE standards. UNE is also part of ISO, the International Organization for Standardization. Both UNE and ISO cover a very large number of technical topics. Among them are biotechnology and synthetic biology. In the frame of ISO, there is ISO TC 276 about biotechnology, which counts with the participation of 48 countries, has already published 14 standards, and has another 26 under development. Laboratories, companies, and regulatory authorities can trust the content of the international standards to use them in their regular business and in their regulatory acts. UNE is part of the BioRobust project since the beginning, its role being to provide information about the standards and the network and functioning of the standardization system, to facilitate the approximation of BioRobust to ISO, explain how research and innovation can benefit from standardization, as well as contributing to the larger participation of companies into the project. Far from the idea that the standards limit innovation and creativity, standardization adds value to the research, development and innovation projects and activities. They all benefit when they are built upon the knowledge and information that is included into standards, but they also benefit when part of the results and developments are included into new standards or are used to revise existing standards that will be updated with new, more accurate information. Standards are a powerful tool for the dissemination of the findings and innovative solutions resulting from research, development and innovation projects. Their inclusion into standards increases their dissemination as reliable information approved and accepted by a large number of experts in the field at international level. Standards are therefore key to increase their acceptability and potential access to market. In other words, they are key to maximize the economic and social impact of innovation. Additionally, sharing in standards, which we shall not forget as publicly available documents, part of the conclusions and knowledge obtained through publicly funded projects, seems a fair return to society of the support received. Not in vain, European programs such as Horizon 2020 frequently invite for the inclusion of standardization from the very beginning of the project.